y'all how to do a Tunisian lace stitch in crochet. This is a really cute little pattern, so I hope y'all really enjoy making it with me. To get started, we need to make a foundation row, and to do that, we need to make a multiple of 5 chains plus 1. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make 16 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now we want to go to the second chain from our hook, and to do that we skip the one that's on our hook because we never count it. Go 1, 2, right there. We're going to insert our hook, grab the yarn and put it through, and that'll put a loop on our hook. So we're going to do this for the remainder of the chains on our row. So we should end up with 16 loops on our hook. So here is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now that we've got a whole bunch of loops on our hook, we're ready to start making our lace. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then chain 2, 1, 2, then yarn over and pull through 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's basically what we're going to do for the remainder of this row. So we're going to be pulling through 5 and then chaining 4. So yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to the end, you'll have 4 loops, so you're just going to yarn over and pull through those 4. And that creates your first row of lace. Kind of cool. All right, now to get started for our next one, we need to go to the 3 chains here in the center, and we're going to insert our hook into the first one, grab the yarn, pull it through, and that'll put a loop on our hook, and then go into the next one, pull up a loop, into the last one, pull up a loop. So that gives us 4. Then we're going to pull a loop up into the top of the chain that's holding that little bit of lace together. That gives us 5. And we're going to keep doing that till we get to the end. So we're looking for 16 loops. You should always have 16 loops on your hook, or whatever number that you started with. All right, so into the next chain. So there's 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 in the top, 9 in the next 3 chains, 10, 11, 12 in the top, 13, and then in my last ones here, 14, 15, and 16. And this is really all there is to it, to this pattern. You just keep repeating rows 2 and 3 until you reach your desired height. And when you get to the height that you want, if you want to give it a nice finished look, we'll just do a row of single crochets. So to show you that part, I'm going to go for my return pass here. So we'll create a second row of lace. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 loops left, yarn over and pull through those. Now we're ready to do the single crochets just to finish it out. So instead of pulling up loops, we're doing single crochets this time. So in those 3, we're going to insert our hook into the first one, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both loops, and that makes your first single crochet. And we're going to keep going all the way to the end, and this time we should end up with 15. So there was 1, so here's number 2, 3, in the top 4, in these 3, 5, 6, 7 in the top, 8, these 3, 9, 10, 11 in the top, 12, and then in these last 3. 13, 14, and 15. And see, that just gives it a nice little finished touch. So anyway, when you get done, you should end up with a pattern that looks like this. I hope you've really enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, please subscribe to the channel for more nifty tutorials and videos. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.